This is the sound I make because I'm retarded. This is the sound when I make on my date nights. Did you guys know? This is the sound of the Retardosaurus.